All right, here we go.
And so it begins.
Yeah, so it begins.
If we want to leave today, we have a lot of work to do.
Yes, we do.
Come on.
I'm coming.
Grab a shovel.
Okay.
I was talking to them.
Oh, grab a shovel, guys.
Here, carry this thing.
Alrighty.
You coming?
Yep.
How are we going to get a four-wheeler through here?
You coming, Herman?
Oh, Lord.
I really don't know. It's very light and fluffy, so we have that going for us. I don't know how we're going to get our four-wheeler back through here, though. It's kind of encroached and closed in a lot.
You all right?
Yep.
Good.
It's falling. There's snowblower. Caught my ball. That's not good. Give it a whirl.
Nope.
That is a no.
Gee.
All right. We had a second snow shovel around somewhere. I just don't.
I mean, we're missing one of these that's orange
What
and,
just
and a green shovel.
and a green shovel. I just never dreamt it would get this crazy.
Might be out by Dad's.
Hut. All right.
Well,
Well, is about right. We've got ourselves a mess. At least it's nice and fluffy and not like soaking wet and heavy. So the four-wheeler is actually working well. My gosh. And it's still snowing. How is she? Got a little closer, Griffiths.
she's fine.
Okay, she's fine. Oh, I don't know. I think we scratched the crap out of her there. It's fine. Yeah, so the goal today is to get all of our snow moved one more time, get a path back to the shed so we can get the four-wheeler in the shed, and pack all of our stuff and try and get out of here before the motor grader comes down the road, because when he does, he literally will probably put, I don't know, an 8-foot drift in front of our driveway. So
I'm going to get the keys to the Mozzie and fire him up and get him warmed up, because we can back him in here. That's as
and then
clear as
get
I'm
some
going to
space
do it.
here. Okay, I can do it. Like, we are, I've said it before, what a winter wonderland, but this kind of tops all the befores. This is absolutely crazy. Whoa. Whoa. The road. Oh. Okay, I might have to take that back about the motor grader. I don't know if we're gonna get out of here at all, actually, until the motor grader comes, and then we're gonna have to deal with our driveway. Wow. Like, wow. I don't know if the old high C will make it out of here. How?
But just look at
Deep we're really talking here. Like, this is just yesterday and this morning's snow, and it's still snowing. It's just crazy. It's to my knees. To my knees. I got nothing. I don't even know what to say. It's just insane. This is the road. Do you think we're gonna get out of here today? I don't know about that. Oh my gosh. Wow. Got Mazda parked. You move that fluffy stuff off and it gets a little slick out here. There's our wood pile. Not much left. We're about out. This should work for the four-wheeler though.
yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's getting wet and heavy the longer. I mean, you can feel it getting heavier.
It's nice out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the more you move it, the wetter it gets and the heavier it gets.
Yep.
Otherwise, it's just like
Fluff. All right. I think you should be able to get down this with the four-wheeler and get it into the shed. And then down our boulder path. Oh, my word. I mean, it's pretty incredible to be here and witness this. I am super scared about what it's gonna look like in a month when it melts, because we're in the middle of March. But this is pretty incredible to witness. I really just have no words. And I don't even know that this video does it justice for just how much. I'll tell you what, I love all the seasons at the Shabin, all of them. it's just surreal, and it's crazy how happy this place makes me. Jason's out here cleaning Big C off.
See how tall this snow is?
Crazy.
How's it going? Did you get to the shed?
Yep. All right, we are nearing that part where I gotta start packing, and we're gonna get out of here, I think. I don't know, maybe that's wishful thinking. Maybe we'll get all packed up and make it a half a mile down the road and be like, well, I think we'll stay at the cabin for a few more days. I don't know. Jason's a northern kid, grew up in the North Dakota, Michigan, Minnesota. He's pretty winter savvy, and when he decides he can get there, he can get there, so, and safely. So I'm guessing, unfortunately, that's what we're doing. If I had it my way, we'd just stay put, only because I love it here. But I would assume that the next trip we come up, all of this white stuff will be gone. And it'll be a soupy, muddy, mucky mess. I'm sure of it. And our first project will probably be more mulch, because it's gonna be a mess. I don't know. I don't know why I have that feeling. Yeah. So if you guys enjoy our videos, please subscribe. It is free to you. Please like the video, and we love to read your comments also. So leave a comment. I try to answer back to every single one of you, and we super appreciate you supporting our channel. And we've got some amazing subscribers, and we just want to thank you for that. And that's a lot of ands, and. But seriously, thank you. You guys are the best. Oh yeah, I forgot. Our sled is out here somewhere, and we load all of our bags and stuff into that and drag it out to the truck. And I think I know where it's at. Let's see if we can find it. Okay, so I believe it's in this general area. There it is. This thing's amazing, if I haven't told you. This and our little wagon do a lot of work. And I'll show you a Yeti cooler update. Yep, that's since yesterday at about noon. And I don't know what time it is now, probably 10-ish. I'd say that's a lot.
Try and get this back there yet, or suppose we gotta move some stuff?
I think you probably could. Just gotta move the sled that I just dug out. Generator. Well, generator can go in after. Well, we can, yeah, I see what you say. We gotta drag the generator out of the shed. I got it, okay. I still need it plugged in to pack.
Well, yeah, I don't want to put it away, but we gotta just get it out of there.
Okay, let's go do that.
Yeah, while I go and get that, shovel this a little bit out by the corner here.
Absolutely.
Then I'm gonna have to come in and go up into this snowbank.
Oh, to back it in? Do you need me to shovel a little bit? Or are you just gonna come in with your blade?
Right.
Alright. Alright, I need to do a little shoveling here. I think he's gonna make it.
Not even close yet.
I'm just kind of trying to not get run over. Ah! All right, let me get out of here. I'm scared. Not too shabby at all. Had a fairly easy time getting down the path.
Wow.
That's pretty much all I have to say too. Wow. That's it. That's all I got. Wow. You guys have anything to say? Leave your comments below, because I have no words. Alright, I think that's about all we're gonna do for snow removal. And we're gonna just start packing it up and attempt to leave Minnesota.
This snow is getting very heavy and very sticky.
Yeah. Not too shabby. 1, 2, 3. Whoop.
Slow down. Careful on the step.
Yeah. We're just checking to make sure we didn't forget anything. We're shutting her down. What?
You put this towel up.
Yep, I do.
Right.
Yep.
You got the keys?
I got the keys. Got the generator inside. Got the propane off. Is the propane off to that thing? I don't think we ever used that. And we're gonna leave the Green Mountain out this time. I think it'll be fine.
Well, if it were at our house, it would be outside.
Right. Just always worry about people, you know. But why would you steal a used grill? She locked?
She locked.
All right, I gotta lock this one and
Oh,
we out.
hi, Shabin. Sorry.
Sorry, we didn't get your
Hope
roof
you'll be
shoveled off.
fine.
We hope you'll be fine. Another couple weeks, I think it'll all melt. And yeah, hopefully it's not too heavy for her roof. Oh boy.
I don't know about this thing. This is kind of funny to lock.
It is funny to lock. You need to give her a whirl. got it.
Well, it's not latching. So.
Oh.
There's a little bit of weight up there. Let's get out of here.
All right, we're going to attempt to leave Minnesota.
Leaving this right here?
Nope.
You're just throwing it up there.
Throwing it up here again.
All right, Herman. Time to go, little buddy.
It's time to go.
If we can get down this road, we'll be in good shape.
The road snow is deep. We did
Pull out so we can get the chain across.
beat the motor grader. Let me throw Herman in the back seat so you don't run him over. He's been wanting to get in the truck for a while anyway. Say goodbye to Shaban. Hi, Shaban. There you go. He wants to go for a ride. That's it. That's all. Hopefully that's not too much snow on our roof. But we don't have anywhere to put it anyways, so. She's deep. Think we'll make it? We gotta go that way.
It's this road that I don't know about.
We might be stuck back here. We'll see.
Yeah, you can't tell the elevation change there, can you? It's just like snow blindness. You can't see.
Yeah, you can't really see it.
Well, it's not over because the hardest part is the next
2 miles?
Yeah.
Right, 2.5 miles. Yep. That has not been plowed.
It's a pretty solid road base, but it's getting worse every half hour we stay here.
Yeah.
All right. Stay tuned.
Bye, guys.
Stay tuned. Bye, guys.
No, I guess not bye, guys. I guess we'll show you us getting out of here. Will we be snowed in? We have warm stuff with us in the truck in case we have to walk back. But let's hope that's not the case. So far,
not good. So slippery, I can't get it to go anywhere.
and it's a land yacht. It's humongous.
You might need to go grab the grain shovel.
Okay. I thought this was going to be like easy peasy, just pull on out here and go, but we haven't even left our driveway yet. What's wrong, Herman? Probably should bring the grain shovel with us, really.
It's just, it's ice.
Yeah.